We have to discuss here practice set 3.1, which is based on the indices and cube roots. Okay, so now we have to start here. So what is the first question? Express the following number in index form. So first of all we have to learn about the index form. What is the index form? Suppose I want to write here a square. So for this, what is the index? That is 2. That means power is called as the index. Okay, power is called as the index. We can write it as, or we can read it as like a raised to or a power 2. Okay, its power is 2. Similarly, we can call it as a raised to 1 upon 2. So this power is in the form of rational number, and this power is not in the form of rational number, or it is a form of irrational number, because 2 means what? The denominator nothing means 1 is there. So it is also the rational number. Okay, so what is the power or what is the index of this one? That is 1 upon 2. So how to write this? That is square root of a. We can call it as what? Square root of a. Clear? So similarly we will solve these questions. Like first question is what? Fifth root of 13. Fifth root. Suppose I want to write here a raised to 1 upon 3. So how to read this? That is third root of a. Okay, so what is the question here? Fifth root of 13. That means suppose 2 1 upon 3 I want to write here. So how to write this? That is third root of 2. Okay, that means this is the third root of 2. Similarly, fifth root of 13. So how to write? That is 13 raised to 1 upon 5. So we have to call it as fifth root of 13. Clear? Similarly, sixth root of 9. So how to write this? Sixth root of 9. That is 9 raised to 1 upon 6. Okay. Next thing is what? Square root of 256. Square root means what? We have to take the power as 1 upon 2. That means the 256 1 upon 2, because this is the square root of 256. So therefore your answer is what? Square root of 256 is equal to 256 1 upon 2. Okay, this is the rough part. Okay, this is the rough part. What we write here. Actual solution is this. Correct? This is also the rough part. Rough work. Now next is what? Cube root of 17. What is the cube root of 17? Cube root means power is 1 upon 3. So 17th power or 17 raised to what? 1 upon 3. That is the cube root. So therefore cube root of 17 is equal to 17 1 upon 3. Okay. Next, 8th root of 100. Okay. 8th root, that means 100, take it as it is here, and 8th root means 1 upon 8, like this. Clear? Next, so therefore your solution is what? 8th root of 100 is equal to 100 raised to 1 upon 8. Okay. Now last question, that is 7th root of 30. So 7th root, 7th means what? 30, take it as it is. Then 7th means 1 upon 7. So 7th root of 30. So how to write this? That is 7th root of 30 is equal to 30 1 upon 7. So one more example we have to discuss here. These are the questions from question number 1, practice from practice set 3.1. Suppose I want to write the 17th root of 38. 17th root of 38. Then how to write this? This is the rough. 17th root of 38. So 38 write down as here, and 17th. So therefore 1 upon 17 is here. This is what? This is the 17th root of 38. Clear? This is simple question is there. Now next we have to forward the next question. Okay. That is question number 2. So what is the question number 2 here? Write in the form of nth root of a in each of the following number. Listen. What we do in earlier question, that is we have to find out the 15th root of or nth root of a. We have to given that nth root of a and we have to find out the number. Clear? But in this question we have to find out the nth root of a. That means we have to do the earlier question that you have to given this part 15th root of 13 and then we have to find out this number. But in second question what is given here, that is this part is given and we have to find out this part. Clear? Understand? Now next. So what is the first question, that is 81 power 1 upon 4. So how to write down? This is the fourth root of 81. Okay, just like suppose a raised to n. So how to write this? That is nth root of a. Suppose a is here 21 and n is 1 upon 3. So what is this? This is the third or cube root of 21, because for 3 we have to use the cube word like this. Clear? So in this way we have to solve the question, that is 81 power 1 upon 4. So how to write this? 81 power 1 upon 4 is the fourth root of 81. Okay. Similarly 49 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is for what? It is for the square root. So we have to write down here 49 1 upon 2 is equal to what? Square root of 49. Similarly 15 1 upon 5. So how to write this? That is fifth root of 15. Correct? Fifth root. That means this is the root of what? 15. Similarly 1 5 1 2 raised to 1 upon 9. This is what this 9 represent ninth root of what? 5 1 2. Okay, so therefore we can write it as 5 1 2 1 upon 9 power 1 upon 9 is equal to ninth root of 5 1 2. Yeah. Now next question, that is 100 raised to 1 upon 19. So how to write this? This is 19th. Okay, 19th root of 100. So write down like this. 100 1 upon 19 is equivalent to what? 19th root of 100. Okay. Similarly, the last question, that is 6th number question, that is 6 raised to 1 upon 7. So how to write this? That is 7th root of 6. Okay. 7th root of. So we have to do here all the questions including practice set 3.1. Now in next video we will discuss about the next topic, which is related to the indices and cube roots. If you understand this video, please like it, subscribe it and share to your friends. Thank you students.